Hello all, welcome back to our channel. After a long, we came back with our analysis videos where we'll be discussing all the indices from top-down analysis. Let's look at over here. This is Bank Nifty on weekly time frame. Now you can see over here, let me mark you one scenario that it will give a drastic idea whether the market has been in uptrend or in downtrend. Let's see over here. If I mark a uptrend from this level, up move, a pullback, up move, pullback. Now you can observe that the last previous higher low has been taken out in weekly time frame itself. Now which is indicating as the bank nifty is turning into bearish but not a fully bearish while we see on monthly time frame. Now based on this, we can plan a simple trade till this support area which is acting as a very huge demand over here till 43,600 to 43,500 area. Almost we are having, let's see over here, we are having 500 to 600 points over there, which is a distance from present level to next demand area. Let's go to the daily time frame to get few more insights. Now while we see on daily time frame, in daily time frame also we can see a simple pattern of head and shoulder, which is a good pattern as well, and this head and shoulder will also suggest us the market is turning from bullish to bearish. Likewise, this is our higher low region which has been taken out in daily time frame itself, and it is sustaining below the higher low region. Now, if it opens flat or gap down, then there is a high probability that it will test the next support area, which is 43,600 to 43,500 region. Now, from here onwards, we can see a very huge bullish momentum, right? This is our demand area. If it see any bullish nature over here, then we can plan a pullback trade from here till 44,400 to 44,500 regions. Let's go to the hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, you can see we are having one sideways region over here. This is our sideways region. If market opens gap up above this level, which is 44,500 area, then we can see some sideways to volatile in this region. If it moves above this level, which is 45,100 level, then we can plan for bullish side trades till next resistance areas, which are 45,800 to 46,200 areas. Or else, if it opens flat or gap down or below 44,400 area, then we can wait for a confirmation for selling side. Then we will plan our selling side till our round level, which is 44,000. If it goes below this level and sustain, then we can plan next 400 to 500 points move. Let's plan our Monday trade on 15 minutes time frame. This is Bank Nifty on 15 minutes. Same thing we'll plan over here. If it is opening flat, then we'll wait for a confirmation for selling side. Then we'll go for selling till 44,000. Or else if it is going below, then we'll plan our trade below side as well. Or else if it is going above 44,460 level, then we'll plan a very small trade till 44,600 area. From here, you can see over here, from this level, we have got a very huge selling pressure, right? At this level, a single candle has made a very huge selling. So at this level, we'll wait for a bearish confirmation. Then again, we'll go for selling. One more thing, let me tell you, selling is coming a huge fast. Look at over these selling candles. Selling candles are in huge momentum rather than buying side, which is indicating as sellers are having more power rather than buyers. So in this downtrend momentum, let's capture the selling side moves with good risk to reward rather than going for pullbacks or buying side momentum. Until and unless we'll get a very good confirmation for buying side, we don't have to go aggressive buying side, but in selling side, we'll plan simple trades with good risk to rewards in Bank Nifty. Let's go to the Nifty now. You can see this is Nifty on weekly time frame. In Nifty, this is the higher low, which hasn't been taken out still. But while looking at this scenario, Nifty is coming for a small retest. We don't know till where it may come. We are having a very good support area at this level. It may come till 19,000. From here, it may show bullish side and move upside. But while look on daily time frame, let's go to the daily time frame to show you how it is. While look over the daily time frame, this is our higher low, which I have marked over this. This is our higher low based on the momentum, higher low, then higher high. Now it is coming to the same higher low level. From this level, we may see bounce back to upside, or else if it is giving a good breakdown to this higher low, then we'll wait for good confirmation. Then we'll plan a trade till 19,000, which is our round level. If it is going further, then we'll plan our next trade till 18,600 also in swing manner, not in intraday. So based on the Nifty daily time frame and weekly time frame, we can say that Nifty hasn't been turned into bearish yet. We have to wait for breakdown to this level, which is 19,300 level. If it is sustaining below this level, then we can plan for selling side trades aggressively in Nifty. Till then, we have to get some good confirmation and we have to plan few trades only in Nifty based on selling side. For buying side, there is a good probability that it is in bullish nature only. Let's go to the hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, I have marked a very good pattern over here, which is a pennant pattern. Mostly this pennant pattern is looking as it has given a very good bullish momentum over here. Let me mark the zone. It has given a very good bullish momentum. Now it is coming into this retracement area. If it is giving breakout to this bullish structure, then you can plan a buying side trade till our ATH again. Or else if it is giving breakdown and sustaining, then we can plan our trades according to the next levels, which is our 19,000. If it is going beyond, then we have to plan according to the levels. Okay, now based on this, we got that Nifty is in still bullish, but we can plan few trades in swing. Let's show you. If it is opening flat, this is the gap which is acting as a support as of now. If it is opening flat and crossing this gap level, then we can plan a simple trade till 19,300 area. From here, if we see any bullish structure, then again we can plan upside trade till this resistance trend line. If you are giving breakout to this resistance trend line also, we have to wait for more confirmation, because bank Nifty is in bearish most of the time. It may drag the Nifty also downwards. So what we have to do is, if you are getting any bullish structure over this level, then plan a trade till this resistance area. If you are getting breakout and again a bullish structure after this breakout, then we can plan for buying side trade. Or else if you are getting breakdown to this area, then as we have discussed, we will plan selling side trades. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to plan our Monday's trade. On 15 minutes, the same nature is looking over here. This is our support region. If you are getting breakdown to this support, then we'll plan a trade till this level. Or else if you are opening gap up above this swing high, then we'll plan a simple trade till this region only, because from here you can see the sellers has made Nifty downward drastically, right? So if you are getting any breakout to this swing high, then our first target will be this level. And if we get any bearish nature, then again we can go for selling side over here. This is the plan in Nifty 50. Let's go to the FinNifty to plan few trades over there. This is FinNifty on weekly time frame. In FinNifty also, you can observe that FinNifty is turned into bearish by looking in the weekly time frame itself. It has made this one as a higher low, but it has crossed and sustained below this level. Now, which is its next support area is, while looking in the charts itself, we can see that this is its support area, which is very near to present price. So if we get any bullish pattern over here, then we can plan small bullish trades till 20,000 area as well, which is almost 3,000 points away from present price. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame to get more insights. On daily time frame, you can see that the same pattern has been appearing over here, which is head and shoulder again. And this was our, let me mark the level. This was our higher low region, which got taken out in daily time frame also. Now it is sustaining below this region. If it opens gap up or sideways, then our first target will be till this resistance area, which is 19,900. If we get any bearish nature over here, then again we can go for shorting, and our target might be till 19,600 area. On daily time frame itself, we can plan a very good trade if we are getting near to these regions. Let's go to the hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, while looking over here, it has been making lower lows easily, right? Lower low pattern. You can observe here as well. The lower low making candles are only 1 or 2, which is giving as a scenario that sellers are very huge and they are bringing downwards very fast. But buyers are not that much in power. They are trying to make a pullback, but the pullbacks are not sustaining well. So the sellers are still in power. So whenever we are getting any good retracement to the levels, we'll look for selling side and we'll plan selling structure over there, and we'll go for selling side trades with good risk to reward ratios. Okay, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame over here. The same thing we'll plan over here. If it is opening flat, then a small retracement to this level, and we will go for selling till this level, which is almost 100 to 130 points move. If we want to go for buying after breakout to this level, we can plan for buying side trade with small targets, because we are having good resistances. Whenever price reaches the resistance level, from here we may get a downside move. So if you are moving upside, there might be good volatility as well in the market. So for selling side, the market will give a very good opportunities with good risk to reward ratios. So based on the market structure and market momentum, we can plan a selling side trades easily till the next support areas rather than buying side trades. This is the overall discussion about the indices from top-down analysis. We have discussed from weekly to intraday time frame as well, that we can plan our Monday trades as well. So if you have any doubts or if you have any confusion over the markets, you can let us know in the comments. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel to get more amazing videos and trading with more learning videos, which we have planned in coming days. And along with that, we will be posting our travel vlogs as well in our channel. Thank you.